How to recover Fantasy Premier League account. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for fantasy.premierleague.com. You will then be led to the login portal of Fantasy Premier League here. Tap on the login option you see there in order to start the process of recovering your account. Here, firstly, go ahead and enter the email address of the account that you are looking forward to recover. Here, you will then see the option for forgot password. So tap on the forgot password option you see there, and you will then be required to enter your email again. Once entered, tap on the submit option you see there, and you will now receive a recovery code in the email ID that you just entered. So go ahead and enter the recovery code sent to you and then enter a new password for your account. Finally, tap on the submit option you see there at the bottom, and with this, if the recovery code that you entered is correct and if your new password meets your password requirement, then your account will be recovered successfully. So this was about how you can recover an account in Fantasy Premier League. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.